It looks like an IPD oval to me. Let's get down here and check out. No, it's just something somebody's made. This is why we do this. It does not have an aftermarket exhaust. It's had a muffler removed. Volvo S60r. She has 114,000 miles on her. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood here. Oh, okay. Well, I was getting to that. The previous owner of this car removed their intercooler from it when it was wrecked, so it runs very well. It just has a little bit of an issue with missing air. As you guys can see down there, she is connected to nothing. Very clean motor though. We are going to be selling that. We'll have the transmission for sale. Some of the cleanest R headlights I've ever seen. Going to be selling these as a pair of Xenon R headlights. Front bumper is good from afar, but far from good. We will get that popped off and make sure it's still sellable. We do have 3 OEM Pegasus wheels on this car. A full set of Brembo calipers are going to be for sale. The late jeweled taillights. Might sell those as a pair. We'll figure that out at a later date. This rear bumper does have park assist. We're going to be selling that complete with the sensors and the lower valence. It is R specific. Almost sounded like it had an aftermarket exhaust on it. It does. Kind of looks like an IPD oval to me. Let's get down here and check out. No, it's just something somebody's made. This is why we do this. It does not have an aftermarket exhaust. It's had a muffler removed. Let's step inside here. We'll fire this thing up again. We'll test out the transmission. Can't test out the climate control. The previous owner apparently needed that. Who knows? 114,000 miles. Running well. Just literally the boost is on the loose. We'll go ahead and put it in gear here though so we can test out the transmission. Engages right away. Drive engages right away. The 4C suspension is still working. Yeah, she's gonna stall out. Fire it up one more time. As soon as this thing goes down to an idle, it realizes that it's missing air and it just shuts off. The seats are a little bit rocked. We're gonna be singling those out. As I was saying though, the 4C suspension is working. All the modes are switching. Very rare in one of these. Yeah, it's not gonna be happy with us. Everything you guys see here is going to be listed for sale. This upper speedometer hood, which is very commonly bad on these cars, is in great condition. Glove box with the R trim. The R steering wheel, this is a non-navigation style wheel. We will have that for sale, along with the center speaker in there that is common to go bad. Roof console, yada, yada, yada. We know these cars. We've done a ton of them. We all love them. That is going to wrap it up for M5VV030, our bread and butter cars, S60Rs. We really love these things. If you guys are looking for parts, we had a ton of these. Check out the link in the description below to our website, www.jnjautoracking.com, or give us a call at 800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.